You can call me old school, né? Because I just love my paper maps. But a new tour is loading for South Africa. And I went through all my maps. And I've got a lot of tracks for Africa maps, né? But believe it or not, I don't have one South African map. So off to the stores for me now. Let me go show you what we are busy with. This is what it looks like if an adventure is loading. So it's been a long time since I've been so opgewonde about a new tour. So after a lot of thinking, me and Christian said, what are we going to do this December? So we're going to do back roads, small roads, farm roads, gravel roads, all the way from Joburg to Cape Town. So I got my South Africa Tracks for Africa map this morning, my trusty old flat screen GPS, and this book is you can't do it without this book. Every small road, every small town, the history, the things to do, places to stop. So now we are doing huiswerk. Only challenge is how to get out of Joburg to the first and nearest and best gravel road, taking us on our route to Cape Town. So yeah, YouTube, go likes it, man. Likes it on YouTube. We're going to feature a lot of it on YouTube, but we're still going to bring you the shorts and the reels. So, arrivari, let's do this.